The following is a presentation of Western Farmers Electric Cooperative.
During the annual inspection outages of the LM6000 units at the Anadarko plant, a few maintenance opportunities arose. Anadarko Unit 10 was found to have indications of potential failures of high-pressure compressor stages 3 through 5. Technicians from GE and the plant mechanics were able to change out the compressor blades in 3 12-hour shifts. The compressor work was completed all while the machine was inside the package. The Anadarko plant also removed an LM6000 from the package for maintenance for the first time during the last week of September 2016. Anadarko Unit 11 had to be removed to replace the combustor. During annual inspection, the fuel swirlers were found to be cracked, requiring combustor replacement. The engine was removed from the package on Sunday, September 25th, and brought to the combined cycle crane bay for disassembly, replacement of the combustor, and reassembly. Reinstallation began on Thursday, September 29th. The engine was lifted and transported in a custom-built dolly rented from GE for LM6000 maintenance specifically. The engine was slowly rolled to and from the Orm plant at 3 miles an hour. One of the more difficult challenges was moving the dolly around the gravel surfaces surrounding the LM6000 packages. Backing the engine into place to remove it from the dolly was especially tricky. The total weight of the dolly and engine was over 25,000 pounds. The Anadarko plant maintenance crew overcame that challenge with some ingenuity. Once the engine was back into place, it was then hoisted and positioned into the package. GE had 4 technicians on site to assist WFEC crews with Units 10 and 11. Annual inspections of these 2 machines allowed the plant to find these problems prior to them becoming catastrophic failures. The Anadarko plant maintenance crew rose to the challenge and completed the unplanned work within the original outage window. Unit 10 was placed back in operation Tuesday, September 27th, and Unit 11 followed on Saturday, October 1st.